In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on the on-screen keyboard on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then on the right side, just scrolling down underneath interaction, select where it says keyboard. And then there should be an item underneath on-screen keyboard to go ahead and toggle this on to enable it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.